Innovation means different things to different companies. For SYNLawn, it means using the latest technology to ensure that our turf is the cleanest, safest, and most sustainable that it can be. And it means pioneering new technologies that will enable us to provide even more options to our customers. Options which can save them money and reduce their environmental footprint. Our vertically integrated structure means that we work yarn to yard, ensuring quality control at every step of our process, from R&D and testing to product development, project design, and installation. Whether working at our 400,000 square foot fully integrated manufacturing facility or serving our customers around the country, our employees know exactly how important sustainability is to our company. Our advanced EnviroLoc backing enables more efficient drainage, enriching the soil below and eliminating the harmful and polluting runoff of pesticides and herbicides that are so damaging to our waters. Stronger, protected fibers means that our turf lasts longer, maximizing the investment of our customers, while also locking in for the long term the enormous water-saving advantages that every artificial turf installation ensures. Using more renewable and recyclable components in our turf means that it can easily be repurposed for other projects and recycled to create other materials such as nailer boards and planters. With no need for gas-powered lawnmowers, an artificial turf installation also helps to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Our focus on sustainability has impacted the ingredients we use in our turf. By using a combination of sugarcane in the fibers and soy in the backing, we have achieved a 19% renewable content ratio. And the process enables CO2 to be captured instead of released. Look for the green backing. You'll see clearly that every piece of EnviroLoc-backed turf has been inspected, registered, and certified. SYNLawn is the first company to receive a bio-preferred certified installation system using 70% renewable resources. The certified product is a combination of Augustine 547 plus pad and infill. And we are committed to working with fellow LEED certified partners to create healthy green spaces. These are some of the ways we're trying to make everything we do more sustainable, and we will keep striving to achieve that goal.